How to change the keyboard layout to QWERTY, QWERTZ, AZERTY or 3x4 on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down and then we tap on General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. At the top, tap on Languages and Types. Then in here, tap on the language. Next, select your keyboard style. So by default, it is set to QWERTY. You can choose QWERTZ, AZERTY, 3x4. So select one of the options. If you select QWERTZ, you can choose multi-language input. So depending on what language you have installed on your device, the more languages you added, the more will becomes available in this list here. So if we go back and add in, let's say if I remove this one. So if I remove this particular language, then you can see that in here I won't be able to select. So it shows here I need to simply wait for a while before it turns off, but eventually it will removed. So once you turn it off, then it will be removed from the available options in here. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.